Hey, what's up, guys? L up here from Creative Sound. So in this video, I want to take a dive at this chorus plugin. This is the Studio One 5 version. Well, it took a massive facelift, right? And I've never really cared for the chorus inside of Studio One, but because everything is new and they did some changes, I decided to give it a try. And actually, I'm gonna show you what the multi-band compressor sounds like as well. So this is what I have here. I have no plugins on at the moment, so this is what I got. So I came up with the drum pattern. I'll just mute that for right now. Now let's turn this thing on. I am impressed. Like, right at the back. I'm impressed. Now, I am by no means using this for what it's really intended for, and I would definitely try this on vocal, but right now I just wanted to just kind of go through like this is definitely not what chorus was doing before. Chorus was nowhere near what the quality, what you getting here. Now let's turn on this TriComp. This is also something I never played with because I really didn't care for it that much. And this has state space in here. Let's turn this on. This just brung the drums alive. Check that out. It add more grit. This is without. This is wet. See, this saturation is the trick. This is the truth here. Let's play with more presets. Kind of like that. What if I put a TriComp? Let's bring it like right there. Okay. I'm impressed. like there's grit in here. You know what I mean? It's like another level of I don't know. If you guys were not able to hear what I hear, then you're probably gonna give this video a thumbs down. But me doing this for a very long time, I know what I'm hearing, and this is by far some this is amazing. Let's do a little bit more and bring everything together. All right, so I got the Scarpy Reckenbecker, which is one of my favorite bass in here. Let's see, let's just play around, see what we'll come up with. I don't know. Let's put something in there. TriComp on it? Yeah, let's see. I like the way it sounds, just right there, actually. I'm trying to see if there's a bass preset in here right quick. Don't look like it is. So let's go acoustic. Bring out the harmonics. This works for me. Like in the mix, this will definitely push. All right, let's check this out. Slow-fi thing in here. I don't know. I think I'm just impressed with this chorus thing. Oh yeah, that's it. And I see that it doesn't have a mix from wet to dry here. So, you know, what I could do is send this to like a chorus, you know, its own bus. Bring this over so you guys can hear what's going on. All right, I got this the Sparkle here by UJam. Let's add that in there. 2, 3, 4. Let's add the chorus to that. Let's go after it. I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and use this envelope feature. It's new in Studio 1.5. How about we right click here, turn on the gain envelope. And we're gonna put a node there. And we're gonna put a node there and just go to the top and bring it down. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, look at that. Now see, I didn't realize it. Understood. Okay, so what just happened was I took this and duplicated it across, right? And because it's the same file, it does it to all of them. That's kind of dope. I like that. That's kind of cool. It's like it's a group on it. Of course, let's add the red. Sorry, wrong place. I love this thing. Of course, let's add this all to the drum bus. All right, let's add a compressor to the bass, just so we can side chain it. Let's exaggerate it. Let's spread this dial back. All right, let's add a EQ to that. And let's side chain it as well, just so we can take care of those frequencies, make this peak. Yeah. So the pink line is my kick. I'm monitoring what my kick is doing so that I can make my adjustments to the bass. Because as you can see, they're kind of like sharing the same, you know, and I can hear the difference. So probably can like, yeah, something like that. Just use the horns inside of here. And what I'm gonna do is add this multi-band. It sounds good just like that. This is without it. It's like subtle differences, actually. This is actually cool. What if we add the red light to this? Oh yeah. Yeah, I like that. Let's see what the limiter has to offer. All right. So that's all I got. I just wanted to play around with some of these plugins and build something real quick. Hey guys, remember music is art. You're the artist. Paint your picture. Stay creative without rules.